Hi guys, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you all my recipe for a Ponche de Creme tres leches. You all are going to love this one this Christmas. So let's get started. So guys, to start this recipe, in a big bowl I'm going to go in with my egg yolks. To the yolks I'm going to go in with some sugar. And we're going to whip or beat these egg yolks until they are light or pale yellow in color. Okay, so now to this we're going to go in with some essence of vanilla. I'm going to go in with flour, baking powder, and a little bit of cinnamon. So now all you want to do is mix to bring this together. So now I'm gonna add in some milk, which I forgot to add in, guys, so make sure you add that in when you add in all of your wet ingredients. So we're just gonna set this batter aside. Let's work on our egg whites. So to my mix, I'm going to go in with my egg whites, and we're going to beat or whip these until they are at soft peaks. Okay guys, this is at soft peaks. You see how soft it is? Now we're going to go in with some granulated sugar, and we're going to continue to whip this up. What we're looking for stiff peaks now. Okay, that is exactly where I want it to be. So now let's get this out of here. Okay, next we're going to empty that whipped egg whites into our batter that we made first. And now you want to fold this in. And folding means scoop and turn. Scoop and turn. You want to take your time. You don't want to deflate those egg whites. Okay, now this goes into your oven to bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes, or until when you put a skewer through it, it comes out clean. In a heavy bottom saucepan, we're going to go in with eggs, condensed milk, some vanilla, carnation milk, a few dashes of bitters, some heavy cream. In goes a piece of lime peel. I'm gonna grate in some fresh nutmeg. 2 cinnamon sticks go in. Now we're just gonna mix this. And if you wanted to add some more eggs to this, you can. Now you're gonna place it on your stove top and on a low heat, and you're going to let it cook for about 8 minutes. So after that 8 minutes of cooking, you're going to go in with your rum. And of course you can add as much or as little as you like. Just give it a mix. And we're going to pour this out or strain this out. Now you're gonna pour your milk mixture over your cake. The cake is going to absorb this. This is a very spongy cake. It's not your basic sponge cake. So just allow it to be absorbed. If you need more of the liquid, you add more. And if you have any of this remaining, you can drink it. So guys, once the cake has absorbed the milk, you're going to go ahead and cut into the cake. Now you can add your whipped cream at this time to the entire cake on the top, but what I like to do is as I'm serving it, I put the whipped cream and then serve. Okay guys, now to top it with our whipped cream, and the recipe for this whipped cream can be found on my channel, or you can just use store-bought whipped cream. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe for this Ponche de Creme tres leches. Make it, let me know down below if you like it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!